Hi everyone, in today's video we're gonna check a side hustle I've been doing for a long time, and I think if you're a beginner, now is the best time to start just because of all the sales. So you will need a little bit of an investment here, but I promise it's not that much, and the earnings are huge if you play it well and if you're patient. Let's go.
Like this one, like this one, and I can go on and on. This one to 15,000, you heard it. So 60,000, 2,000, 1,000, whatever it is, you can make that with trading the futures market. So first I want to show you quickly what it is. So this is CR charts. This is how it looks like. That's a footprint. So the futures market, I believe, is much better than the Forex market. Forex market is very much manipulated by all the big institutions. These, at least you can see the contracts that are played. So you have the buyers and the sellers, and you can see how much is played right here, and you can have targets, the volume. You can check the volume right here as well. So this is CR charts, and it's pretty much, you have to place. I don't want to play. Okay, let me try to place a trade for you so you can have a look, but I'm just gonna do it in another account so you just can see how it works. So let's say I want to enter here for a few ticks. I'm using micros on this account, and I entered, and this is my target. This is my open trade, and I can move my target to a lower target if I want to. But there you go. So this is how it is. I'm using micros, so they're smaller contracts, and so that means that I'm making less money per tick. So this is a tick, this is a tick, this is a tick. Okay, so this is what you can trade with CR charts. You can definitely do that. You can get it for free. You just need to go to their website and download this for free. So that company I've been showing you, the Facebook page, is Apex. So what am I saying is the best time? Why am I saying it's the best time right now to trade? It's because all these companies similar to Apex are running huge sales. It's 90% to get some evaluation accounts, which are gonna make you get you need to pass that evaluation account, and once you pass that, you'll have the ability to get a master account or a performance account, which will let you withdraw. So that's the point, and you're not using your own money, because think about it, you just have to pay the price at 90% off right now for the next 2 days, but they run sales every time regularly. So even if you miss out now, don't worry. Just check them out all the time because they have sales. I'll leave the link below as well so you can check them out. So let's say you want a $25,000 account. So you'll pay that price, 147 minus 90%. Okay, so you'll pay pretty much $15, a little bit less for $25,000 accounts, and you'll have access to $25,000. But realistically, it's only going to be a $1,500 because your loss limits is only $1,500, and your target is 1,500. So you need to bring your account up to 26,500 to get to a performance account, and these are $143, 5K account, and it's a one-time fee. But after that, you can once you pass the target they give you, you need to make $1,600, and then after that you can request a payment every 2 weeks. The minimum payout is $500 for the first 3 payouts, and then after that, it's a higher amount. So they have a 90% off right now, such as this company, Lilu, that I also recommend. They have 85% off. And same thing, it's the same principle. You get like an evaluation account, you need to pass it, and then after that you can get to a performance account where you can withdraw. For Lilu, they have payouts that are sometimes once a month, and it takes 30 trading days to request a payout for the first payout. So it will take 2 months to get your first payout, but that's okay because we're playing the game of risk-free and safety over here, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that. And the next one is Bullionox. First, I want to show you that I got a payout from them, $1,000 right here, as you can see, from that company, and that's them. They pay once every week. On Wednesdays, you have to request the payout on Friday. Same thing. The price is pretty much similar. They have a 90% off right now, meaning you can buy a $15 account and get 25,000 of a trading money account. And then with that, you just need to make a profit target of 1,500. Then you'll get your master account, which will let you withdraw money. And all of them, they have the same type of rule, is that they let you keep the first 10,000 or 12,000 depending on the company without any commissions, and then after that they'll keep 10% and you make 90%. So what's good with those companies is that, well, they let you have between 10 and 15 accounts, those ones. Apex, they let you have 20 accounts. And Lilu, they let you have 10 accounts, performance account I'm talking about. So the ones where you can withdraw money. So now let me explain to you.
Try not to get into it because of the huge sales they're having. They all have 90% off, 85% off. So it's pretty good when you start because you don't want to take too much risk. So I do understand that. And then what you can do from there, you need to get to the point where you can have multiple accounts, but it's going to take time. So when you start, I just recommend having one account, bring it up to the point where you can withdraw money, and get used to like getting a few withdrawals and be comfortable with the markets. And from there, what you can do, it's very simple. You can get more evaluation accounts and then build up your little portfolio. And the goal is to really, this is the goal I have, is to have 10 accounts, let's say, per company, and to just make 1,000 per account per month, which is $50 per day, trading day, which is completely achievable. That's not even pushing it. That's doable if you don't take risk, and you can use the micro accounts. So micro accounts are going to be smaller contracts, but you can as well use more and take a little bit less risk. So the goal is just to play it safe, make a little bit of money. Like, your bank account is not making you $20 a day, is it? Probably not. Even the best saving account, unless you have a ton of money in it, there's no way. So the goal is to build up a little bit every day, get comfortable with how the market works, and then from there you'll be able to use more contracts, make a little bit safely, and then withdraw more money at the end of it. You need to be educated. You cannot jump into this without knowing what you're doing. So the best is always to have an evaluation account. So those accounts that are on sale right now, go for it. It's literally not expensive. It's usually, the sale is usually for the first month. Some companies offer you 80% for the second month, after the first month. So if you don't pass it on the first month, you can keep it if you want, or else you just cancel it, and you'll pay 80% of Apex is doing that, so they're good with that. Lilu, I'm not too sure if the second month is cheap, and Bullinox, I think they do that 80% as well. I'll put everything in the links below with some details so you can check it out. So yeah, you need to be educated, and the education part is the most crucial one. I do recommend a company for that. I'm personally not part of it, but my husband is, and he can only say good things about them. And he's been showing me a few ways of trading because he learned from them. He's been with them for 2 years now, probably, at least. And I can only say good things because I can see how my husband is trading right now, and the results speak for themselves. So I recommend them. I can show you the link below. They have, if I do remember, you need to check their website out again, but if I do remember, they have a free course, basic course on the website, so you can check them out. If you do want to join them, they have a membership. It's $99 per month, and they're pretty much live almost every day. So they're professional traders, not forex traders, not those like kind of persons. They're doing futures markets. So check them out. If you want to check them out for one session too, they offer random classes that you can pay for. It's like $10 for one class, so you can check them out. And they also have very, very often some live sessions that are completely free, open to the public, and it's really good to see how they work, because honestly, I just can't say good things about them. That's all. So yeah guys, so I'm saying the best time to try is now. If you do miss out on the sales now, don't worry. As I said before, they offer sales all the time. I also wanted to mention that when you enter into that trading game, I mean, you shouldn't treat it as a gambling game. You don't want to guess. You want to learn how to make the best decision for your entries and exits. And this comes with experience. And this comes, I mean, your knowledge is going to get better and better over time. And don't take too much risk. This is what I would recommend to any person coming in. You're not going to get rich tomorrow unless you're very lucky. And honestly, this is the honest truth. There's no way you can predict the future and know where the price is going to go, or, you know, you can try to game it with the stats. And that's why this company is really good. Educational company, TRG, Trading Research Group, is really good they're gonna show you the best way of trading that makes the most sense for you to make the most profit, pretty much. And so yeah, don't take too much risk. So that's the end game, is to keep your accounts. So you just don't want to lose them. So if you don't want to lose them, you need to take the least amount of risk. And that's why I'm gonna give you the best advice is to aim for a target that you can do every day without hurting yourself. So if you can only make $20 every day, well, just aim at that, get to your target and shut it down. Close the account for the day, come back the next day. You can trade from Monday to Friday anyways. So keep your targets little when you start, because you don't really know what you're doing, and it's better that way. And over time you can take a little bit more risks, but never ever take too much risk, even if you have a bigger account, because you never know, you never know what can happen. It's a great opportunity because as long as you have a laptop or a computer, a desktop, and Wi-Fi, a good internet connection, it has to be a fast one, you can trade from all over the world, as long as you have a good internet connection and good laptop or desktop. If you have that, there's no reason why you cannot make money from anywhere. So if you want to move out from the place you're living in, the country you're living in, and you want to set up in Singapore or where you want to travel, like on the road, as long as you have that, you'll be able to do it. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you did like it, if you found it very useful, if you didn't know about this side hustle, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so, and I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys!